Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a stamp from a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is particularly useful when you need to clean up documents that have outdated approval stamps or watermarks that are no longer relevant. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Go ahead and enter your username and password to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all the editing features that Adobe Acrobat Pro offers. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. You'll typically find this on the home screen or in the File menu on the left side of your interface. This section displays all the PDF documents you've worked on recently, making it quick and easy to locate the file you need. From this list, select the file that contains the stamp you want to delete. Simply click on it to open the document in the editing workspace. Now that your PDF is open, take a moment to locate the stamp you wish to remove. Stamps can appear anywhere on the document, so you may need to scroll through the pages to find it. Once you've spotted the stamp, right-click directly on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the stamp. From this menu, select Delete. This immediately removes the stamp from your PDF document. The beauty of Adobe Acrobat Pro is that it makes this process incredibly straightforward, allowing you to clean up your documents without any hassle. After you've deleted the stamp, it's crucial to save your changes. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Save button. Click on it to ensure that your modifications are preserved. Without saving, the stamp deletion won't be permanent, and it will reappear the next time you open the file. The save process usually takes just a moment, especially for smaller documents, so be patient while Adobe Acrobat processes your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the unwanted stamp from your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.